Whether you are a meticulous planner or a financial novice, having a convenient budget template at your disposal is indispensable. In this video, you'll discover a collection of exclusive budgeting layouts and examples that cater to your financial planning needs. You will get an organized channel marketing budget to allocate resources effectively and strategically. The aim is to maximize the success of channel marketing initiatives. If you want to grab well-structured budget presentation templates, download this resource from the link. It has a comprehensive product launch budget plan template. This helps you in accounting for all essential costs and investments associated with your product launch. Get a structured framework for planning and tracking the financial aspects of an event, enabling you to manage expenses and stay within budget. Want more? You will also find a PPT slide allowing you to effectively manage your social media advertising, content creation, and other expenses. As you do this, you will also maximize the return on investment from social media campaigns. For more unique presentations and templates, visit www.SlideTeam.net. This comprehensive resource serves as your ultimate solution, offering a structured framework for your financial planning needs. Access and download it from the link provided now.